Now I am showing you how to prepare slide of an onion peel and cheek cells in laboratory. Right? So you know that during lockdown we are at home. So whatever materials I could have from the home, I have collected those to show you how we can prepare. Right? In order to prepare the slide of cheek cells, first I am telling you how to prepare the slide of cheek cells. So what we do, we take a drop of water on the slide. I'm not having what slide at home, so I have taken this, right, a drop of water, and then we add saffronin, a chemical in the laboratory which we use to stain the cells, right. A drop of saffronin is added in this. So you see this yellow solution we prepare. Am I clear? I was not having saffronin, so I have taken edible yellow color from the home. Right? So when you want to prepare the slide of the cheek cell, what you do? You take a toothpick. Right? Fresh toothpick you have to take and you have to wash it in water to make it clean. Right? After that, you have to take material from the inner side of your cheek. Let me tell you how you take. Just you hold your lip like this and you have to scratch the inner part of your cheek with the toothpick like this. And now what material sticks to this toothpick, that you have to put in this solution, right? Cheek cells will come here, and after that you will pick up the slide, put it under microscope and observe, right? When you observe it under microscope, the cheek cells of this type, polygonal cells, you will be able to see, right? These are cheek cells. You will be seeing only the cell membrane, the nucleus and the cytoplasm present inside. Under light microscope or compound microscope, which we are using commonly in the laboratory, we are unable to see the inner details. Only three main parts of the cell are visible, that is the plasma membrane, nucleus, and inside this fluid part is cytoplasm. Am I clear to you? In this way, you are to prepare the slide of cheek cells. Now let me tell you how we prepare the slide of onion peel. To prepare the slide of onion peel, what we do? We take onion. Cut onion like this. Have onion piece. Now, hold the forceps in your hands. I am not having forceps at my house, so I am using this plucker. In the laboratory, you are using forceps. That is also similar type of device, only that is slightly larger than this, and the tips are fine, right? So then what you have to do? You are to remove the layers like this. You get this concave part, right? Again you have to put a drop of water and saffronin solution on the slide like this. Now what you have to do? You have to take the transparent membrane from this side. How you will take? Like this, you will pluck. You see this transparent membrane. You are able to remove. Let me show you again. See, this is the onion peel in my hands. Can you see this transparent membrane which is on the forceps? Yes. Like this you have to remove. Now you have to put this membrane in saffronin like this, and with the help of brush you spread it. Overlapping of the material should not be there. You spread it like this. You can see now. Let me clean the material a bit so that you can observe it clearly. Hanji, you can see this material lying over here. See this membrane, this membrane. Overlapping should not be there. आपने membrane को पूरा spread कर देना है like this. We put it in water so that dehydration does not take place and you can see the cells clearly. Am I clear to you? Now you will pick up the slide and put it under microscope just as to see the cells. And what you will observe? You will observe the cells like this. Safranin will stain the cells in yellow color, and again three things. In this case the cells will be rectangular. In cheek cells you have seen the cells were polygonal, and in onion peel they were animal cells, right? So they were not rectangular, but these are plant cells. Plant cells are rectangular in shape, and you will be able to see this is cell membrane, this is the nucleus, and inside there is this light yellow colored cytoplasm is prepared, right? Light yellow colored is cytoplasm, this orange colored is nucleus, and outside this brown colored covering or outline, that is the plasma membrane. So three main parts of the cell will be visible under the microscope in case of animal cells and in case of plant cells. We have prepared two slides today. One is that of the onion peel and other is that of the cheek cells. And you see the cheek cells are polygonal as they are animal cells, and the onion peel cells are rectangular because these are plant cells. I told you in the class that the cells are arranged like the bricks in the wall. You can see bricks are arranged like this, and likewise the cells are arranged like this in the onion peel. Right? So that's all about today's lecture or the preparing of the slides. Thank you. Thank you so much.